How to add filter in Bumble. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can filter out people. First of all, open the application. Now here on the bottom, you can see this like you button. Simply select on like you. Now here on the right top, there's a filter icon. Simply tap on this filter icon. So this is the settings we're talking about. Basically, there are two types of filter: basic filters and advanced filters. So you can customize it accordingly. So this is done in order to find a perfect match. Here you can select different categories and add your opinions about them. Here you can even select the age, the people that you want to date, and even add your own languages. So it's best you do this all because you'll find your perfect match after selecting all these filters, and later find the perfect match and have conversation with them. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.